We all know that life is totally easy. Not. Life can be really stressful, and it's during those times when I need a little bit extra help to combat the stress that I love to use ashwagandha. 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 It's a great adaptogen to have on hand. This adaptogen is powerful at combating the effects of stress. Medical studies have shown that ashwagandha improves cortisol levels and can naturally balance your hormones, whether testosterone or estrogen, and that means that it has a great effect on the thyroid and balancing that out as well. That will lead to lower anxiety and depression. It can help you sleep and improves fertility, and it may even restore pigment to graying hair. Tea is simple to make, milk is a special treat, and just remember, don't stress, just progress, and let ashwagandha do the rest. It's so good. Leave your comments below and let me know what you think, or any other videos that you want to see. Bye! It's delicious.